Okay, so CB500R. I like the clutch a lot more on this. Wait, the turn signal is weird, but sure. So this is the R version. The clutch is a lot harder. Holy shit. And then turn signal is way far down. Who freaking uses these mirrors? They're so freaking low. And I'm totally gonna use the horn. No, I like the pegs better than the Ninja 400, got to say. So this is like the R, the Fireblade. Looks like the Fireblade. Very short throttle travel, I think. I'm not too sure on that. Maybe not. Boy, oh boy. I don't know if we have the right of way there, so that's interesting. Ooh, sorry. See, I told you I was going to use the horn. I got some things going on for it. Something is going on. But it's kind of like the 400. It's this is more upright than the 400, I feel like. So this one does not have a gear indicator, it looks like. It's the same dash as the Grom and all the other 500s. Got some torque. Let's see, do we have another gear? We do. But there's no gear indicator. I'm going for the horn every time. So why do they have to put it down there? I'd say the body of the bike is a lot more comfortable than the Ninja 400, because in this one I feel I can kind of move my legs, which might not be a great thing, but oh, and it also got that snappiness, but it might not be a great thing, but it makes I don't feel uncomfortable on this bike. I kind of felt uncomfortable on the Ninja 400. Yeah, but I mean, it has it can go up. It'll get you places, basically. I don't know, why do they set this bike up with some play in the throttle? I don't get it. Like, look at this. I'm not even kidding. Look at this. It's like wiggly. You probably can't see it, but it's hella annoying. And I would have fixed that. I fixed that on my bike. So I'm just saying. I'm more of a naked bike type guy, but this looks killer though. I'll give it that. It looks really good because it looks like the Fireblade. The 1000 Fireblade. What's up? What are you doing? I don't know. Okay. Feels a little bit more flickable than the Ninja 400, I'd say. A little bit more like nimble, I'd say. But still, then again, I wouldn't have like this type of bike just because of filtering, and it seems like it's like unbearable to use. But I don't know. We'll see. To use in traffic, that is, but you know, it is what it is. I like these blue things though, makes it look cool. Reminds me of my own, my CB, I don't have a Honda, my GS500F, when it had fairings, but this is obviously a lot more modern, stuff like that. What about the dash? Do I like the dash? It has everything. I mean, a gear indicator is nice. I don't say that you need a gear indicator. I certainly have not needed it. Back brake seems kind of squishy. mean, oh, you even have, I have a protection for my butt, or like a thing to hold my butt against, I guess. I got a special test ride for you, if that is even happening, but if it is, then oh, it'll be fantastic. It'll be something way different than this. There's gonna be a lot of like After Effects things, like blurring the speedometer. Might be a good idea. Yeah, this really reminds me of my my 500 engine wise and stuff like that. Okay, engine sound. Sounds a lot like my my 500. Whew. Yeah, no, I like this bike. So yeah, Honda CB500R. I'd say it's nice. It is kind of nice, isn't it?